Hey everybody, it's Bray with the Tuning School, and on this Tech Tuesday, we're gonna be unboxing our brand new Dynojet. Let's get it started. Now that we've got the crate open, we're gonna start pulling some of the components out. This is actually for the top of the eddy brake, I think. So you don't drive on this part. Here. So now that we've got all that stuff off from above the actual dyno itself, we'll start pulling out some of these boxes here. So first things first, we've got a box full of what looks like a bunch of straps. We've got some ground hook D-rings. So you got some straps here so you can strap our cars down, which is awesome. So slide that off to the side. We've got a box here that says it's the AC optical pickup, so this is the RPM pickup for the cars, so we can actually see what RPM they're running at. So it's got all of its components on the inside of there, as you see. So that's pretty cool. And then this box here says something about, AFR kit. That's what this one looks like. So that'll be able to tell us what the air-fuel ratio is while we're running the cars on the dyno. All hook up, which will be kind of cool. So check this out. So this one's got lots of bubble wrap and stuff, but it's got their little control box here, which actually uses a vacuum system to suck the air into the oxygen sensor and all that kind of stuff. Pretty neat. So we've got that. And then, let's see, this says electronics. So some kind of electronics in this box, probably for the dyno, the actual control units or the computer. So looks like we got all kinds of cables in here. So you can see we got a remote to start and stop the dyno and all kinds of other stuff. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got chocks. That's pretty self-explanatory. Weighs a ton. It's wheel chocks. Probably rubber ones if I had to guess. We got something with a lot of zeros, something kit, something like that. And so here we have, cut this open, we'll see exactly what we got going on. Things that are wrapped in foam. So that's kind of cool. We'll figure out what those are later. So we'll set that right here. Got some stuff underneath the dyno here. So you've got the drum guard on the left side. And if I had to guess, this might be the right side? Nope. So there's the support angle. So there's two of them in there. Some more metal pieces that we'll set off to the side. And then, of course, we have our Dynojet stickers. Where would we be if we didn't have some stickers? So that's good. And then there's a few more boxes over here. So this one says something about the logo panel. And then we got another one here about something else. Banners. Very important, shop banners. Gotta have those too. We got stickers and banners. So those are good. And that looks like that's about all of the boxes that are in here. So we'll pop these frames out and then we'll actually try to lift the dyno outside of the crate, which is gonna be awesome. now we're gonna disassemble the smaller crate, the smaller of the two crates. From experiments from the last crate, it is better to take the top off first and then go from there. So we're gonna pop the top off of this one, see what's in here, and then continue to get everything out and assembled. Oh, I think it's because that's the part that couples the dynos together. No, it's not even possible. It's pretty cool. It is the U-joint from a semi-truck, and it weighs 80 pounds. So now that we have our new dyno unboxed and set in place where relatively we're gonna want it, we can start going through our installation guide that you see here. This is provided to us from Dynojet. There's a lot of steps in here to actually make sure this gets set up properly. And if you're doing this at home, you'll wanna make sure you follow this guide just like we're gonna follow it here. The number one things you're gonna make sure that you have when you're doing this type of unboxing or this type of install is obviously gonna be a forklift. That's the number one tool you're gonna use. You're gonna make sure you have the right one. You saw in the videos, we used it a lot for doing what we did here today. After that, you're gonna wanna figure out what kind of lift you're gonna use, what kind of car lift, or if you're gonna be in ground. Normally, you're gonna make those decisions before you purchase the dyno, but if you're still deciding, you wanna make sure you know before the dyno shows up. After that, it's just simply following the steps. It'll walk you through everything you need to do to install, and if you have any questions, that's why Dynojet is there to help you. I hope everyone enjoyed this video and that it's given you an interesting look inside actually unboxing a brand new Dynojet and hopefully what you're gonna find when you unbox yours. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and as always, stay tuned. Do quick draw going like... No, they... Why, God? Why? Why?